Sanspa anyo puprangut ki pulit sub inspector bakentop yasispa anyo puprangut ki officer pulit kentai jong jela Asam hakan hendru teruk yayong arhajar arpuar kila pendap egejing hikai jongki hakan North Eastern Police Academy Nepa kabadan umsau ke distrik Boy. Kani kekenhun ki pulit kebelah pendap egejing hikai banlong ki pulit Bopura. Kelatau senon ru ikan rekod kum kekenhun kebahaya pat tam ban pendap egejing hikai na 12 senge ke Nepa hakan senam syajar kendai spa anyo pupra. Menteri Rangba Kejala Asam Himanta Biswa Sarma kumukongsan ulalet jurep begini pulet haswa begini shimbenta hagadik Shan Parit kat bau director Kenepa Dipak Kumar ulapan bam semai kini kisanspa anyo puprangut banlong ki pulet Bopura Kejala Asam ha kabalai dan lang DGP ke Asam Ubhaskar Jyoti Mahanta UMLA ke Umsning constituency uba Jason Sau Kumya Maulong kihan na Kejala Asam bat Meghalaya bat kiwe-kiwe. Himanta Biswa Sarma ulasam ru iki khusnam boper shiki pulet kiblale abha badwanca kemat agajing yo ajing hikai jongki. Habakirana gajing yalang Menteri Rangba ke Asam ulai kublai kini kisamlakan thai bat cenrang kibala pendap bat pentebet iladi gajing hikai boper banlong ki pulet kibala abantrai pendap ke Kamram kumbala bensyat lagi. Bat ula kentui kini ki pulet bagian IT iladi met bat mensiam bat agajing syakri bat bantrai borba ban penelong ik emlang salang kabalat naik kinu ki kam seniu. Nalor kania ulai ro ya Nepa kebal ajing hikai ya kini ki pulit bagian long ki batebet habar okiliang bat ulu ongru bakan Nepa kum kaslam kebal ajing hikai ki pulit jong kathanch dalam mingi kelala ban sandur bat ban penmi ya ki pulit ki batebet ha kani kathan.
The success of the basic training in the best possible manner amidst the day-to-day disruption caused by COVID-19 pandemic is reflected in the impossible turnout and the wonderful parade of the cadet sub-inspector here today. As you know, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India, had envisaged a uniform pattern of police training for the whole country that led to the birth of magnificent Northeastern Police Academy, National Police Academy. The Northeastern Police Academy or the Police Academy spread across the country, and the young officers who have passed out today are products of that vision and foresight of this great statement. As you know, since I assumed power, we have set our goals clear. That is to make Assam as one of the most developed states in the country. However, while realizing this goal, what is required the most is an environment where crime is a reality and people become active partners in the development process.
Platoon number 6 is commanded by Cadet Sub-Inspector